Good afternoon, folks.
Yes, good afternoon.
We're on our way home. We're back.
Sorry.
Not good.
Boo-hoo.
The weather is cloudy today.
It's been raining.
And it's been raining. It's still very warm though. It's still, is that 29 or 23?
No, 23.
23. So it's still quite warm. But after the last few days, it's a godsend, to be honest, because there's a lot of travelling today and the dogs have got to be in the car, so I always worry about that. But they're okay now. They've had a run this morning, had their dinner or had some breakfast with us, and we're just heading towards the storage yard now so that we can put this away. The caravan's on the back with us and everything's packed up. We don't know actually when we're going to be back out in Izzy, so it's really a horrible pack-up day today. Our next holiday is already booked, and if you fancy joining us on that one, that's at the end of September.
That's cruise.
That's at the end of September to October, and we're going on a 11-night cruise around the Greek Islands.
2 weeks.
No, 11-night cruise around the Greek Islands. So if you want to join us for that, please feel free to, and hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, because if you ring the bell, it'll notify you when I put anything else up. It's been great to share this one with you. I wish I could tell you when our next caravan holiday is. I'm hoping we're going to squeeze one in before we go on our cruise, but if we don't, it'll definitely before the end of the year. Oh, Mike's rolling his eyes. Beginning then.
We'll try and squeeze one in, but I doubt it, because it'll be a lot more awkward because the weather's not going to be as dry. Issues with the awning, getting away from your mother, and the house is working.
Yeah, the biggest holdback now is the house is started. We're starting work on our house. So yes, that's exciting. But no, it means that we can't travel as often just at the moment. We'll still be vlogging, we'll still find things to talk to you about and share with you. Even if it's just a good old Isle of Man. But for now, we're going to drive back to the storage yard, go and have a bit of lunch with Mike's two boys, Simon and Mike, and head to pick my mum up, and then off to Liverpool, onto the ferry, and across to the Isle of Man. We should be back in the Isle of Man by about what time tonight?
Well, it's past 10:30.
Yeah, 10:30 tonight, and then it's a good 3/4 of a drive, 3/4 of an hour to get to Ramsey. So
after 500 yards, cross the roundabout.
Long old day.
Second exit, A5 towards Ludlow Street.
I have to put my glasses back on because my hair's whipping my eyes. Yeah. So anyway, folks, we'll show you a bits and pieces today, but it will only be a short vlog. Sorry. Great having you along, and see you soon. Bye. Well, it's 5 o'clock. We should be heading towards Ferry, but we've had to stop because the pups need a pit stop. So, pit stop it is. Delamere Forest. Haven't even collected my mum yet. It's nice and, I won't say cool, it's a sticky heat, but it's a cooler heat in the trees. I know. Yeah. taxi attire again. Lots of brambles. He's having a tiddle up there, so he's okay. Good boy, Billy. Come on, Willow, be clean, darling. Nice bit of fresh air. Oh, just before we get on that boat, ferry, whatever. We'll go for it. For an anxious dog, he doesn't mind running off. Go on, Willow, have wee-wees, darling. Well, after that nice little walk,
Leave, Billy.
we're back here by the car. Well, we've got home. It's 5 to 12. What a day. Pups have been in the car forever. Ferry crossing. What can we say? Ferry broke down halfway through coming over. It got something caught in its engine, so it had to turn around and reverse to get whatever it was flushed out of its engine. So that took us an extra probably 25 minutes on the ferry. Then we were getting off, and with Mum being with us, we went into the lift, the disabled lift, and we got stuck. We broke the lift on the banana. It's, like I say, 5 to 12 now, and we are shattered. It's been such a long day. Mike was the only one, the only car sat there waiting to get off while we were rescued out of the lift. And you have to go on with a member of staff, which was quite lucky for us, but you have to go on these lifts with a member of staff, and yeah, it was funny. So there we go. It's been definitely an eventful kind of trip home, but all the same, we've had fun. I think now we're just ready to bed. The pups are as lively as anything because they've been confined all day. Oh God. So they're playing. And they think it's great fun to have a bounce around. And Mike's just bringing in the bits and pieces. So, sorry it's been a short vlog today. But thanks for joining us, guys. Speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.